Let me show you what timer and stopwatch looks like on the G-Shock GBA 950 watch. So yep, this watch actually has got fairly decent timer and also stopwatch. If I use this mode button, I can switch to, for example, the stopwatch. So you see, if I press the start button, I can start the stopwatch, and also I can pause again with the start button and also resume it just as I need. Also, I have my lap button here as well if needed. Okay, so you see what we can actually do here. So we can also like do multiple lap recordings. So if you want to like stop and basically get rid of the stopwatch and reset it, so we would first stop it and then press the lap button. So we have a new stopwatch essentially after that. Also, if I press the mode again, you see also I have my stopwatch recordings here. So you can see basically your like past stopwatch recordings. I think we can actually store like even multiple ones over here. So if I press the start button, you see we can see like more details here. So also this stuff here, I'm not too familiar with this function, but yeah, just clicking around, as you see. And if I press the mode button here again, I also have my timers here. On this watch, we can also set up a repeating timer up to 20 times as well, which is absolutely crazy good. So to set a timer, we will first press and hold the display button. Okay, release once it beeps like this. And first we are going to set how many times we actually want to repeat this timer. So if you want it only 1, make sure it's actually at 1. So by default it's 1, but we can set up to like 20. So essentially what this does, once this first timer actually ends, it will beep, give you notice, and it will actually start another timer. And once that timer ends, again it will beep, alert you, and again like go like that essentially till it goes through all the timers that you have set this up. So this is very good for maybe some intervals. So next let's press the mode button here. Okay, what was this actually? I think this was some kind of like countdown for the timer as well. Then also, as you see, we can change the the minutes here, so just whatever you need. So as you see, when it comes to limitations, this appears can only do 60-minute timer, unfortunately. So yep, 60 minutes here. So 60 minutes and 59 seconds, I guess, maximum. Okay. Okay, and once you're satisfied with this timer, so I have set mine for 10 seconds, I'm going to press the display button and I have the timer ready essentially here. On this watch also, before you start your timer, if you press the lap button, you can also enable this pre-count feature, where it simply like gives you 5-second preparation before the timer actually starts. So let's see how it actually looks like if I press start. So you see, it actually gives you alert once the timer is actually running. Also 5 seconds before the timer is up, also it will beep like this. Okay, and we have our timer ready. So I had some kind of interval set on this one, so it's actually going again. So yep, and essentially this is what the timer actually looks like. Good luck.